Today we're going to be unboxing, installing, testing, and reviewing a rear tinted windshield brought to you by StarKnightMT. This windshield's for the CFMOTO UFORCE 600, but StarKnight also makes products for Polaris RZR, Can-Am, the Honda Talon, and obviously CFMOTO. Inside the box you're going to have obviously the windshield with the rubber grommets for the border, the brackets, and the hardware. It comes with 8 brackets, so not very hard. You're going to start with the seat removal. You're going to remove both seats so you can access the 4 screws behind them, and we used a 5mm Allen wrench to take these off. You're going to use the bigger brackets. There's 4 of them for the bottom, and they go on just like this. The windshield is also pre-drilled, so you don't have to drill any holes, and they go on nice and easy. Next, you're going to use the smaller bracket, the 2 of them, and you're going to put these on the top the same way that you put the bottom ones on. They go on right there at the top. Next, we put the rubber grommet around the windshield, around the border, and it goes on pretty easy. You just press fit it right on and work it down, and then we cut the excess off with the knife. Next, we just set the windshield into place and put some screws in the first 2 holes to hold it up, and put the lock nuts on the back. We just hand tighten these so then we can put the wrench on them later. And also your machine, if you have the Polaris RZR or Can-Am, this is the CFMOTO, you will have custom brackets specifically designed for your machine. Next are these final brackets. They kind of have this clip and hook design, and they go right on the top just like this, and the screw goes through the back. Nice, easy design. Then finally we tighten them down with a wrench and the Allen. And here's the final installation. It looks nice and crispy. So once again, this is brought to you by StarKnightMT, and you can find them on StarKnightMT.com for any of your machine's accessories. The view outside looks nice and clean and clear, as well as the nice tint to it. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's nice and perfect. So once again, you can go to StarKnightMT.com. Here's a little brief overview of what the website looks like to get any of your machine's accessories. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, or reach out to StarKnight for your next vehicle's product. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a wonderful time. Peace.